You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Nissan Armada. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Indulge your love of the strong silent type. This handsome Armada offers remarkable capability, yet still gives you a refined, upscale passenger experience that's smooth and serenely quiet. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, heated rear seat, remote engine start, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors, backup camera, power liftgate. Get the full-size SUV that's as capable as it is comfortable. This Armada does it all in style. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.